And my helmet, otherwise known as my bucket, the Boba Fett helmet. This is the one from the Empire Strikes Back Hasbro electronic helmet, and I've had a mess over it over the years, and I never really done anything to it, left it as it originally was. So you can see the beige on the side by the antennas on both sides there, and I had stickers put on it and holes drilled in it and all that kind of thing. So I decided to change it and still go with the Return of the Jedi colors, which is gray and silver on the side, not beige. I did tweak it all up. There's more scorch burns and all that kind of stuff on the side. Removed all the stickers, cleaned it all up, and man, it looks superb. I also installed a ear fan in the lower front to suck in ear and pull it out and throw it against my face when it's on. And it's a little 12-volt fan running by the 9-volt, and it works fantastic. It really pushes the ear out and is going to keep my face. Also, you can see up in the visor there's some electronics. That is a bicycle light that flashes back and forth in different patterns. I have that there as a scanner in my visor. Way up top I have another circuit with the white wire comes out to the right and down through the side. That goes to the rangefinder on the outside, which when it is flipped down activates a switch and turns on the flashing LEDs within that. That's going to be changed a little bit eventually when I get some more time to put a servo in there on the inside, which will be controlled by another Arduino in there. Off to the right, I've got the 9-volt battery pack and the 3-volt battery pack for the bicycle light in the visor. So there's lots of room to add some great stuff in there. I tried to put in some speakers. Actually, speakers are in there for my phone and possibly hearing an outside conversation, so I'll have to put a microphone in there because sometimes hearing what's around you is kind of hard to hear in that helmet. So we're going to rectify that eventually as well too. The helmet, where we have old time circuitry in there and whatnot to get it to do what you want it to do. So you know, that is just some basic stuff. That is the basic stuff. Now, I'd like to show you how to do it. So, we'll go through it. But tonight I just wanted to share with you that yes, you can do sort of things just from basic to whatever. And I want to know what's out there. I want to feel you out to see what you might like me to help you with or show you what to do. If we can do it together, I can help you out. I can maybe even try to help you with the programming of the Arduinos, show you where to get the free software, all that kind of stuff. Anyone who doesn't know how to do it, let me know. I will put our heads together and we'll come up with something if I can't do it all. I was never the greatest at programming, but I try. So, anyway, that is really all I got to say about an introduction to lighting and electronics in cosplays or props or whatever. Now you can apply these principles to anything, even model making, model building. I do it with some of the Lego builds that I do. So I use the Arduino in quite a bit of them. So more so than I actually do in the cosplay. But I thought maybe, while we're bored and sitting here, it might be something just to chat about. And if someone has a question, ask me. And I think what I might do, because Facebook is kind of crazy, I don't know why it cut me off like that. I might do it on YouTube Live, and then anybody can log on and see it. I don't know if everyone can here on Facebook, so we'll see. But anyway, I'll put this one up on YouTube and Facebook, so we'll see what's going on there. And happy cosplaying. I know it wasn't the greatest video tonight, but it's just an introduction to get you maybe interested in finding out if you want to do something like this. We can talk about like some of what they call the EL rope light, or the LED strips or stuff like that. Arduinos can control all that stuff too, so it's really cool.
I think Arduino is the way to go, especially in the cosplay type stuff. So we'll talk a bit more about that, and yeah, I'll show you how to do some. But please, let me know down in the comments below, and what you might want to work on or what you think you might like to do. Like I said, we can put our heads together and come up with something, and maybe I can help you out. We all got lots of time on our hands, and you know, let's use it. Let's use it. Let's have some fun. Let's do some of this stuff. Okay, that's about it for me now. I shall talk to you guys again shortly.